Good day, viewers. You are welcome to yet another video. We are to solve for the area of the shaded portion here. We are given the area of this right triangle. We are given the area of this another right triangle. And we are given the area of this another right triangle. We have to calculate this. What we need to do now is to get the area of this rectangle. After getting the area of the rectangle, when you add this and this and this together, you subtract it. What remains is the area of the shaded portion. To get the area of the rectangle, we needed the length and we needed the breadth. The length and the breadth are not given. So what do we do about this? So let's use x to represent the length of the rectangle. So when x is representing from here to here, so what we have to do now is that from here to this side, we use y to represent that. Since y is representing from this side to this point, it means from this point to this point, we have to say x minus y. So x minus y represents this side. How do we go about this? Because we need to get the breadth. To get the breadth, there are some things we can do. Number one, this is the right angle triangle. We are told that the area of this triangle is 28. And we know that area of the right angle triangle is half times the base times the height. Okay? Looking at this properly, this is the area. Area is given, so we can substitute. Instead of a, we have 28 is equal to, what is our base? X minus y. Okay? Multiply by, let me use h to represent the height. Now, we want to get this h now. So we want this to be the subject of the formula. Using it to be the subject of the formula, what are we to do? We cross multiply first. These two comes here. So 2 times 28, that's 56. So we have 56 is equal to x minus y into h. So what we have to do is to divide both sides by x minus y. This also x minus y. So this cancels this. So it means our height is 56 divided by x minus y. So we put it here, 56 divided by x minus y. What will be here and here? This is also a rectangle triangle. Using the method we have used here, we are very sure that if we substitute this into the area, it will multiply by 2 and be divided by the base. Now, taking through this, we can take this as our base. So it means this times 2 give us 70. So it will be 70 divided by x. To get this also, it follows the same method. 21 times 2, that will be 42 divided by this. So it means this place is 42 divided by y. 56 over x minus y is the same thing as this plus this because they are the same. It means 70 over x plus 42 divided by y, these two. When you add it together, it must give us this, which is 56 divided by x minus y. 14 can go here, 14 can go here, 14 can also go. So when we divide through by 14, so it means you can say this into 1 over 14. So when it is being spread, it's 5 divided by x plus 3 divided by y is equal to 4 divided by x minus y. When the SCM, that will be xy. X in x, that should be y. So this will be 5y plus 3x to give us 4 over x minus y. Looking at the scenario there, what do we now do? We cross multiply. By cross multiplication, we have 5y plus 3x into x minus y is equal to 4xy because this multiplies this. We cross multiply. This comes here. So what's the next thing? We have to expand 2xy. Okay. So this will still be there. So let's put it in the front. 3x squared. So minus 5y squared is equal to 0. Now, from here, the next thing we have to do is to factorize. By factorization, this multiply this, we get 15. So we look for what can multiply each other to give us 15, and you add it to give us minus 2. Okay, that's minus 5 and 3. Because when you have minus 5 times 3, it gives us minus 15. Okay, minus 5 plus 3 gives us minus 2, and that minus 2 correlates with this. So we are using that. So it means what we have now is 3x squared minus 5xy plus 3xy. We have splitted that. Okay, minus 5y squared is equal to 0. So from there, what is common here and here? Okay, that's x. So x comes, so when you look at it, x comes out to give us 3x minus 5y plus y. That's what is common here. So y to give us 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. Now from here, we take x plus y, that's the factorization, and we take 3x minus 5y all equal to 0. So from here, we get to know that our x can be equal to minus y, or here 3x can be equal to 5y. So it means this is giving us negative is a bit extraneous, because we are not expecting negative as our answer, of the length or breadth or anything. So we are going for this. So we have to further more on this. So we have 3x is equal to 5y. Now, making y the subject of the formula, we have to divide both sides by 5. So it means you have to divide by 5 both sides. So 5 cancels. So therefore, y will now give us 3x over 5. So we have that already when y is 3x over 5. What we can do is that y is equal to 3x over 5. Let's substitute into this place, because we need to get our length. Okay, let's substitute here. So it means now we can call this one length, and this one we can call it breadth. Our breadth can be represented as b. So since our breadth is 56 over x minus y, and y is this, so therefore b is equal to 56 over x minus 3x over 5. B will be equal to, find the LCM of this. It will be 56 divided by, finding the LCM, so we have another division. So 5 and 1 here, it will be 5. Okay, so looking at it, this is 1. 1 in 5, that's 5. 5 times x, that should be 5x. Minus 5 in 5, that's 1. 1 times 3x, that's also 3x over there. So if I want to rewrite this now, 5x minus 3, that's 2. So it means 56 divided by 2x still over 5. It means 56 divided by 2x over 5. So division change to multiplication. So b will be 56 times 5 divided by 2x. So 2 here, 1, 2 in 56, it gives us 28. So we have b is equal to 28 times 5 all over x. 28 times 5, that will give us 140. Yeah, 140 over x. This is our breadth, the area of the rectangle. Okay, we now add this area, this area, this and this. We add it together and take it away from the area of the rectangle, so it will remain the area of the shaded portion. So our former problem is to get the length and the breadth. So to get this now, we know our length is x and our breadth is b, which is this, which has given us this now. So knowing fully that area of the rectangle will be equal to length times breadth, and our length is x from the diagram. Our length is x, so it means x multiplied by our breadth is now 140 over x. So from here we can see x cancels x. Therefore, area of that rectangle, which is the big rectangle, is equal to 140. Now, getting to know this, it made it so easy. It means everything here is 140. So what do we now do? To get the area of the shaded portion. So area of the shaded portion will now be equal to the area, which is 140. Okay, minus the addition of these three, 35 plus 21 plus 28. So 35 plus 41 plus 28, 35 plus 21 rather, plus 28. Our final answer, that is 56 square units. So it means that the area of the shaded portion is 56. So this place will now give us 56. If you add everything together, it will later give us this 140. Thank you. If you have enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, share with friends and family, and please press the notification bell so that anytime we release videos like this, you'll be notified. Thank you and God bless.